Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April 21st, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Teva submitted a proposal to acquire Mylan for $82 per share, or around $40.1 billion. Teva CEO Erez Vigodman said the offer, which is comprised of approximately 50% cash and 50% stock, is compelling for both companies. Also featured, Daiichi Sankyo sold its entire stake in Sun Pharmaceutical, which was valued at around $3.6 billion. Daiichi Sankyo gained the shares following the completion of Sun Pharma's merger with Ranbaxy last month. In other news, Actelion lifted its full-year earnings guidance after reporting a 25% jump in its first quarter profit to 159 million Swiss francs. Meanwhile, revenue in the quarter climbed 10% year-over-year to 515 million francs, boosted by sales of Opsumit. In addition, Pfizer's inotuzumab ozogamicin met the main goal of a study in patients with relapsed or refractory CD22-positive acute lymphoblastic leukemia. In the trial, the drug demonstrated a higher complete hematological remission rate versus standard of care chemotherapy. And finally, Teva agreed to pay $512 million to settle a class action lawsuit related to delays in the launch of generic versions of the sleep disorder therapy Provigil in the US. The case alleged that Cephalon, which Teva bought in 2011, entered into pay-for-delay agreements with several generic drug makers. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.